Following message is transmitted at the crest of me, New York Gaming, or Nicholas D. This is a quick wind warning for the Castleton Corners area on Staten Island. Now you may be thinking, so what? If it's just a bit of wind, then shouldn't be considered an emergency. However, papers do blow out of people's hands, and if it ends up somewhere within the vicinity of somebody's reach, and it has personal information on the paper, then you can get your information stolen. Keep all personal information papers in a suitcase or zippable bag. In addition, these winds seem very strong, so if you are outside, please hold on to a tree, hold on to a rail, or a sturdy pole. When there's a wind warning or advisory, the winds are strong enough to slow down a bus in the opposite direction. If you're choosing to hold on to a tree, please stand underneath one that does not have very crazy branches. If you stand under the one that has a lot of thick branches, then twigs may fall on your head.